Hey guys, welcome back. So today I finally get to do what I've been waiting for, my shelves. I love how they came out. I think the painting process was the most tedious thing about them, other than putting them up, but I didn't put them up. My boyfriend put them up, so I didn't have to deal with that. They are not done. I still want to add some crown molding so they can look really nice and look like, they're built in, which is what a lot of people do. Remember, these are the Ikea Billy bookshelves. They are so versatile and just beautiful shelves. They're very sturdy and I'm so excited to decorate them. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit the like button, and let's get started. Now that they're all done, which I have shown you guys, I finally get to put everything that I bought from all types of different places up on my shelves. And this is super exciting for me because it will be the background of all my future YouTube videos. But let me show you guys what I have to put up on my shelves. So these are the different items that I have. So they are from all different places. This is from a random furniture store. These baskets are from the Container Store, this box container store, this box container store. My little princess that passed away. I want to put some purses on there, the ones that I love. I got this from the Container Store. I have a little picture of my nephew. This that I got at my old job that the kids that I used to give therapy to made for me. These are from my birthday. They were decor items that my boyfriend bought and then made himself. This is very sentimental. My grandma just passed and this frame was given to people. This box is from the Container Store. It's so beautiful. I love the mint color. Ikea items. These are also Ikea items. The little cactuses, cacti, succulent things. A picture of me and my boyfriend that I want to display. A bookmark of my grandma. A little rosario bracelet from my grandmother. I want to do a little western. This is from Ikea, this frame, but I have not found a picture for the middle of it. These are from Ikea. They're supposed to hold your books in place. And then down here, I have some purses and shoes that I want to display. And then I will look through those and see which ones will look good. This is what will be going on my shelves. So now that I showed you guys all of the different items that I have to put on my shelves, I'm just going to start. There really is nothing to it except I'm just unsure of where everything will go and if I'll like its place. So I will time lapse this. And thanks again for joining me because this is so exciting for me. I have looked at a lot of inspo, but it's hard to even relate to them or try to get you real ideas from them because you don't have the same things. And I'll still have to go look for certain books that I want, but I will figure it out because I want to go with kind of colors, colorful, and right now it's summer, so these are perfect. Everything that I have is perfect, but I have some matching purses with shoes, and I know those are going to look super cute on here, so I'm just ready to get started. Please leave comments, suggestions after I'm done. If you watch my video, let me know how you could move things around or some ideas for me of things that I'm missing. As I was really just putting all of the items on my new shelves, I was like, why is this not looking the way that I wanted it to look? It is not what I had in mind. I kept switching shoes around. I was like, should one face forward, one back? Just really overthinking this entire process. of putting all of my items on my shelves. So I did hit like a roadblock. I just felt defeated, and I felt like I was cluttering everything, and I really came in thinking, not a lot of items on one shelf. So I knew I was messing up, and I either needed to look for some inspiration again or just keep messing around, because that's what I kept doing. I kept taking things off that I put on, switching them shelves, taking shelves off, putting them back on. I was just very anxious at some point. I felt overwhelmed with how much stuff I had cluttered together, so I called my boyfriend to come help me. Yeah. There is no shame in asking someone who has your best interest for help. And thankfully, my boyfriend lives here, so I was lucky enough to just tell him, hey, come to my room and help me figure this out, because it is good to have somebody else's perspective, especially somebody who knows what you want. So no shame in that. Always ask for help whenever you need it. Here. So once Moy got here, things went from kind of okay to perfect. This guy should be an interior designer, and I am so proud of all of his ideas. He helped me tremendously. So shout out to Moy for making my shelves look beautiful and just how I had envisioned. We are almost done. I just thought this would be a lot easier, but I will show you guys the finishing project. Okay, so finally I am done with my shelves. I'm really happy with the result, but I'm going to show you guys once my room is put together. We're about to move the desk in. Okay guys, so for tonight I did what I could. I am super tired. I did this after work, so it is 2 a.m. I'm going to show you guys the finished product in the morning with the things that I have now, because I just feel like that's much better lighting and you'll be able to see it better. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, welcome back. So like I told you guys, I would come back and show you my finished shelves once there was sun out, so you guys could really see and enjoy the view of these shelves. But without further ado, let me show you guys. And do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. All right, guys, well, that concludes my craft room for now. And thank you to everyone that has been watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys loved it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe because I love doing this. It's such a good hobby. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I am so excited for what's to come. Please don't forget to look out for new videos, and that's it. Bye, guys.